Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Telegram password if you forgot it. But before I show you how to do this, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, what you want to do, if you don't know the password Telegram, if you're on iPhone, go first to your settings and scroll down until you see passwords. Then unlock it. And basically, if you've saved your password in this iPhone thingy, you will be just able to autofill the password. Now, if you have applications like 1Password, maybe there you will be able to see your password. And also, if you have saved it on Chrome account, Google account, you can also see it there. So for example, if you go to the Chrome, go to the top right on your profile picture, you see password manager. Now this needs to be turned on, and if you have any passwords here, it's going to be shown here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.